Good morning teachers. I am Himanshi Verma studying in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Jat Baroda, Gangapur City, Rajasthan in class 10th. Today I will be talking about something that has been discussed across many platforms by now. What is better, paper books or e-books? Even though the debate regarding this has been going on for many years now and no one side is winning it, but it has not ever stopped being one of the main topics of debates since e-books became a part of the mainstream. The paper books have their own place among the readers from the older times, and even some of the new age readers have an affinity towards paper books. The main point where paper books overpower the e-books is the feel that the physical presence of a book is able to provide to its readers. Some readers prefer to have the book in hand so that it completes the feeling of having a good time spent reading, and on the other hand, some readers prefer compact and comfortable style over the original feeling and they prefer to use ebooks. A major point where ebooks overpower and take over the prose of paper books is the ease of carrying many books with you. Carrying a lot of books while traveling may not seem like a feasible idea, and due to the same reason, the readers prefer to switch to ebooks. As on a single device, one can carry a wide variety of books. Some genres like travel books and recipe books are better while they are in paper, as the display of pictures is better in paper while compared to that of ebooks. Also, most people find it difficult to find the right sort of ebook device, and the cost effectiveness of the ebook might not be feasible for everyone to buy, and they automatically prefer the paper books over ebooks. Another area where ebooks beat paper books is the availability and accessibility, because paper books often go out of stock and you have to wait for it to be delivered to you, whereas the electronic version of a book does not really go out of stock and you can download it in minutes. But on the other hand, the device might act as a hindrance in the process of continuous reading, as the capacity of the battery plays a huge role in it. The paper books are said to hold your focus for a longer period of time, and it makes it easier for you to concentrate while reading a paper book. Also, ebooks have the advantage of having inbuilt dictionaries in them, where you can easily look up a word without disrupting much of your reading. In conclusion, reading is a very personal choice of activity, and hence the method of reading is also one's own choice. On one hand, many might find the prose of paper books leading the prose of ebooks, and on the other hand, another group might not share the same views, and at the end of the day, it is a choice that one has to make on their own. Thank you.